Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your investment goals with Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find your portfolio overview. Access the account tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the Investing Goals option in the account settings. Tap on Investing Goals to begin defining your financial objectives. Choose a goal type that resonates with your investment aspirations. These may include saving for retirement, a major purchase, or building wealth. Next, set a specific target amount for your investment goal. This amount should reflect your financial needs and timelines. Select a time frame for achieving your goal. Consider how quickly you would like to reach your target, whether short-term or long-term. After setting your target and time frame, assess your risk tolerance. Determine how comfortable you are with potential market fluctuations. Once you have clearly defined your goals, explore investment options. Robinhood offers stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Research investment strategies that align with your goals. Diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate risks. Use the search feature to find specific stocks or ETFs that interest you. Check their historical performance and potential for growth. Make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and goals. Once you identify suitable investments, start building your portfolio. Invest in small, manageable increments to spread your risk. Regularly monitor your investments to track progress toward your goals. Adjust your strategy as needed based on market conditions and your evolving financial situation. Utilize Robinhood's educational resources to stay informed. Stay updated on market trends that may impact your investment strategy. As you approach your target, consider reassessing your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.